today's topic is force and laws of motion. This is chapter 9 in your book, NCERT book, right? So let's talk about force first. All of you have studied in the junior classes what is force. So you know that it is, you used to study it like this, it is a push or pull, right? That can make a moving body to stop, or a body at rest to move, or it can change the direction of motion also. Okay, so in order to understand the concept of force, for example, this chalk box is lying here. I just push it, it starts moving, so that means this is, I am applying force on this, that is push. If I pull it backward, it can slide backward, right? So push or pull is a force which can make a box at rest to move, right? And you may also have this concept like, suppose this is balloon, I press it, so I can change the shape and size of the balloon is changing as I am pressing it, compressing. Fine, this is also force. Or you may have a rubber band like this. If you pull it, stretch it, this is also force. It changes the shape and size of the object. A ball, if you take example of a ball is rolling. If it will keep on rolling for infinite time, provided the surface is frictionless, right? So if anything is moving, if I stop it, apply force on it, it can be stopped easily. So force can produce so many things. In order to define force is actually an external effort applied by us in order to move a body at rest, or a body which is moving to stop it, or compress a body to change its shape, or stretch a body to change its size, right? Now the next concept comes, what are the balanced and unbalanced forces? So let's see what is a balanced force and unbalanced force. Okay, so balanced force means, like this chalk box is lying here on the table, there are different forces acting on it. So what are those forces? A table, this is a table, suppose tabletop, and we place this box over this. If I want to find out the forces acting on this chalk box lying on the table, that will be, one force is its weight which acts downward, yes, and there is a force of support of the table on it, that is generally known as normal reaction R, which acts upward. So this box is at rest because this R is equal to W. This is balanced force. Means, both forces are in opposite directions, and force is a vector quantity as we studied in the previous chapter. So actually sum of these two forces is 0 acting on this box. If I want to push this box, I apply force on this box from this side and from this side also. So what is happening? It is not moving. I am applying equal and opposite force on either side of the box. So I may apply a force on the box to this side or in the backward direction. If F1 is equal to F2, then all these four forces are, their sum is equal to 0 for a box not let to move. It means balanced force. Yes. Similarly, unbalanced force means, if I suppose I remove this table from the bottom of the box, it will fall down. Means the weight will be more, normal reaction will be 0 in that case. So it is unbalanced force. You must have seen the war of tug, when the opposite teams, they pull the rope, so they are not able to move it if both forces along both sides of the rope, the equal force is applied, that is balanced. But as soon as more force is applied along one team, by the one team, the rope, whole team, both the teams will move towards that side, that is unbalanced force.